Hello, Corey from Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, Nebraska, where we camp better. This is the Montana High Country 337 RD. We'll start out over on the door side, or off door side. The wet compartment where you have your hookups for your city water, winterization, black water flush, holding tank dumps, low point water line drains, battery disconnect, outside hot and cold running water, and where you hook up to cable and or satellite. We have the 10-gallon gas electric hot water heater. Moving forward, one of the two 30-pound propane bottles. Next little door here is where you have the 6-point leveling system. One touch of a button, it levels the whole coach for you. Coming around to the front, we have the storage compartment. It is also will accommodate own generator. Coming along to the door side, the other propane bottle. The compartment doors stay open with magnets now, no latches to break. You do have a large storage compartment. There is TV hookup out here and a 110 plug. And you have a 110 plug on the outside that's all GFI'd. You've got your power awning that extends over the door. We have the easy entry step now, handrail with it. If we proceed towards the back, we've got the storage compartment on the sides here. Come to the very back of the fifth wheel. There is a huge storage compartment with a rollout tray. It's 8 foot long and extends out 4 foot. We do have a ladder for access to the roof. It is prepped for a backup camera. And our 50 amp shore cord hooks in right back in the corner here. And the other one of the side storage compartments in the rear. Let's head inside now. This new easy step is one finger operation, up or down. The legs are adjustable there, so if you are on an uneven surface, it'll still be a sturdy step. Let's step inside. This year we went to the lighter wood and wallboard. We do have a nice pantry with a glass door, and it does have a light inside of it. Go to your residential refrigerator with ice maker down below. Our table and chairs. The table does extend out if you do have 4 people sitting around it. Nice counter space, double sink, pull out with a sprayer on it. It does have a designated place for a garbage can. We have the new oven that you can light without putting your face in there. And then the convection microwave. As we work up into the back, or what the RD stands for is reared in. So we have 2 trifold sofas. We've got the theater seating. The theater seating is electric. We've got the large TV, the electric fireplace. We do have a AM, FM, Bluetooth ready DV, CD player in there. They are using the dark roller shades. This is one of the 2 air conditioners. It is Montana's Quiet Cool. We'll proceed back towards the bathroom and the bedroom. This does come with central vac, a hose that reaches from one end to the other end. We have a little area here for coats, keys, hats, and our control center is right here for all the lights, monitoring panel, ceiling fan, glide rooms, power awning, heated holding tanks. Going into the bathroom, we have the dual sinks, double medicine cabinet with a shared middle cabinet, 3 drawers, plenty of leg room, knee room off of the stool. It is the porcelain Dometic stool, 1-piece fiberglass shower, no leaks, no seams. Then we do have some storage for towels, accessories. And now into the bedroom. We do have a king bed. We have the second air conditioner right here, thermostatically controlled. Is prepped for a washer dryer, and it will accommodate a stack pack or a combo. And then we have our closet across the front. A little bit of storage underneath the bed. The package is your hose for the vacuum. And we have the big drawers across here. And it is back for a television up in the bedroom. That is a quick walkthrough of the 2020 Montana High Country 377 RD. Thank you.